Assalamualaikum, I'm Usman Ghani. Now I'm showing this box. It's so cool. It's a police station, Matchbox Police Station. Look at it, look. It's so cool. I thought Mama I didn't buy this, but Mama did buy this. Look at it. I like it so much. Look at this side. 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 And this is how comes with eight Matchbox cars. So it comes with 8 match. So look at, I like this one. I like this one. Look at that one. I like that one so much. So I will play with it. Open the box! Mama will help me! Okay, let's show you. I don't know where the sticker is. Okay. Instruction. This is the instruction. You need to connect these and put those, and here is the police station. And this is the thing you put on the police station. This is the police station. This is how it looks like. It's so good. You can open this. You can close and open. Close and open. Close and open. See. That is so cool. You can put a vehicle. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 Matchbox cars. Vehicles to have a vehicle to have just police. This one. Oh, open. This one is my favorite. And this is the stickers you should add on it. Here's the stickers where you add it. Mama will help me to assemble the police station. Here's the police station. Now Mama will assemble it for me. This is how it looks like. Another video. Watch that video. Like to share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.